First, there must be something for there to be nothing. Or must there be nothing for there to be something? Here you have a cold space where movement could happen, but will not. It is not in there being a choice of change and merely choosing not to do it. It is in the cruel act of not allowing a choice at all. They say elephants never forget. They are right.
Self-liberated? Fuck wrong. Captured fragments of individuals. Resist, resist, resist. Fight the abyss.
My compact life is trapped within the fragments of all the individuals of the world. I am on my own list of self-liberation. I go down my own. Fists will never be trapped in the fuck wrong of the world.
I resist the others. My fist will never be trapped. As I am looking out on the seashore, a wave of self-liberation comes over me. I keep going, fighting the abyss ahead.
On the list, my fist will never be a trap. A crawling ladder, captured, fragments of individuals, compacted, trapped in nothing, to fight the abyss is a self-liberating self-liberation. Resist and fuck wrong. Now down she goes.
How do we fight the abyss? The empty black space filled with fragments of individuals, and yet at the same time nothing? How are we all part of the abyss that has captured us, kept us something trapped within nothing, and yet has kept us self-liberated? How can we trust the abyss that whispers to us our own perception and yet moves and yet makes us question what we are?
My fist will never be a trap. Something in nothing, captured or self-liberated. Am I a crawling ladder? Down she goes. If you are on the list, resist. Oh, please, fuck wrong. Are we compacted? Only individuals in fragments shall teach us how to fight the abyss.
Something trapped in nothing. Fight the abyss. My fist will never be a trap.
Resist them. I am self-liberated by my fight against the abyss. Fuck you, fuck them, fuck wrong. Doing a crawling ladder backwards. My fist will never be a trap to the wrongs I grasp. Down she goes.
My soul captured. Fragments of individuals danced in my lap. The word resist floated. Fight the abyss is what it meant. Self-liberated, but on the list. I stand here as someone trapped in a state of nothing. My mind, down she goes. But I know my fist will never be a trap. I won't be compacted. Fuck wrong.
Something trapped in nothing. A spacious void of non-existence, clinging onto fragments of individuals in its endless quest of transforming something out of what was once undefined. What was captured in mystery was self-liberating itself from ignorance into knowledge, till everyone knows its name. No longer down in the abyss, it's crawling the ladder, moving on up, resisting whatever goes down around it.
Me and my liberal friends compacted in a trap. Down we went, but realized we were crawling down a ladder. Fuck wrong for deceiving us. Now we must fight, we must resist, figure out what we are, and put it on the list.
In the abyss, she made a list of the people who had heard her. Self-liberated, she set it on fire. It warmed her for the night.